Hi Scott, my name is Michaela and I spoke to somebody on your phone today when I called who told me I could send this free information over to you. I am just contacting carpet cleaners in your area, walking you through your websites with you, show you what Google likes to see in regards to optimizing and ranking your website, and discuss your overall online performance. So to get started, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites on their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important, is going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. And as you can see, this is about all we have, as well as your disclaimer. But not a lot of content, right? So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these sites that have a lot of content, and naturally moves them to the top of the rankings. It's literally that easy. So from knowing how much Google loves content, as well as doing a little bit of research of different carpet cleaners in the Little Rock area, I'm going to suggest that you have between 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on just your homepage alone. I did notice this is all one page on your website, and I'm going to tell you why having multiple pages is going to be key for you ranking your website. With that said, every additional service that you offer, carpet cleaning, tile and grout, repair, upholstery cleaning, we recommend that you have a different page for each service on your website. And we do this for two reasons. Number one, with every new page we add to your website, we add between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And what do we know about Google? They love content, right? So the more content you have, again, that just makes you the service leader in your area for content, allowing you to maintain those top-seated positions on a Google search from content alone. It also allows us to rank you for specific keywords that are searched on a daily basis in your area. So a keyword is anything that somebody types into a Google search bar. So carpet cleaning Little Rock AR is one that is searched over 150 times a month in your area. So getting that kind of keyword put into the content on your carpet cleaning page will allow Google to rank your carpet cleaning page. So not only are you ranking as a website as a whole, but each individual page will also rank because of the keywords on each page. Again, allowing Google to point back to your website for multiple searches and keeping you at the top for having overall the most content. Next, I want to take you over here to Ahrefs. This just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're getting zero traffic to our website, primarily because we're not ranking for a lot of keywords. So when we come here and look, obviously if people search Campbell's carpet cleaning, you're in position number 2, as we would expect. But beyond that, you're primarily ranking for Campbell's in your name. So we need to look at, again, carpet cleaning Little Rock, carpet cleaning Little Rock AR, upholstery cleaning Little Rock, and all the different ones that other websites are ranking for. We can definitely look into what other people are ranking for and get those put on your site, as well as increase the amount of keywords and content on your page. That would obviously increase the amount of traffic coming to your website. So next I want to take you to these two numbers. This UR is directly related to citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. The more of those that we get, the higher up this ranking we're going to go until you become the area leader. Again, being in that top position is definitely what we want to go for because it gets you that overall exposure, right? Automatic exposure is the best advertising because it gets your business name and information in front of people automatically and allowing you to get a lot more traffic to your website and calls to your business. With that said, this UR number is going to continue to increase, and I'm going to tell you why that's important in just a second. I do see that you have a pretty good DR here, so that's great. Historically, you used to have a ton of backlinks, and now you only have 38, so I'm not sure what happened there. But a backlink is anywhere that your business's website has a clickable link on another business website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. The good thing with those sites is that they have high trust value with Google and high amount of traffic coming to their sites. So what happens is when a good referring domain like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor hosts our backlink, it actually directs a lot of their influence back to our site. And the more influence that we have pointing back to us, the higher this DR goes and the more exposure we get from Google. So people in your area who are getting a ton of traffic to their sites and their websites are just optimized to be used in the appropriate way that Google likes, have high UR, high DR, and a high amount of keywords, which results in high traffic and new leads coming into your business. Well, I hope you found this information helpful. That's all I have for you today. Again, please send me a quick email, Scott. Just let me know what you thought about this video. I would greatly appreciate it. But for now, that's all I have, and I'll be in touch. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.